Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. You have an active Apple developer account and a matching app bundle ID. Next, open Developer. Apple, and create an explicit app ID. This ties Game Center to your app. Once created, switch to Xcode and enable the Game Center capability for your app target. This injects the entitlement into the provisioning profile. Make sure the bundle identifier in Xcode exactly matches the app ID. If they mismatch, Game Center won't connect, so fix that before. Once done with Xcode entitlements, log into App Store Connect and add your new app using the exact bundle identifier. Then go to the Features tab and enable Game Center. Create leaderboards and achievements with clear identifiers and localized names. After configuring them, upload a build from Xcode that includes the Game Center entitlement and provisioning. Make sure to select that build for the app version you plan to submit. If leaderboards don't appear, recheck build selection and entitlement presence. You should always test Game Center before release. Invite sandbox testers or use TestFlight to verify sign-in, matchmaking, and leaderboard updates. Once testing confirms behavior across devices, update your app metadata and submit the build for App Store review. After release, monitor analytics and user reports for issues. If something goes wrong, focus troubleshooting on 4 areas: bundle identifier consistency, Game Center entitlement in the build, correct provisioning profiles, and properly configured sandbox tester.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.